Hey guys, it's Brandon with Rusk Woodwork and Family. Tonight we're going to be working in the shop. What we're going to be making in the shop tonight is basically going to make the state of Oklahoma and the state of Texas. We're going to make them all out of this scrap wood we've got. We've got several pieces of this scrap wood in the shop. So we're going to draw it out and then we're going to cut it. We're going to put some stain on it. And we're going to probably put some kind of writing on it, the state of Oklahoma or the seal, or I don't know yet. We'll just do that as we get there. So what I'd like to do is start making all the states in the United States. So if you're subscribed to our channel, or if you're new to our channel, please leave a comment below what state you're from. If you would like to purchase one of these, please leave it in the comment below, or you can go to our website at rustickwoodwork.org. Guys, we just finished up here. I'm pretty amazed. These state flags turned out really good. Here's the Oklahoma one, and here's the Texas one. They turned out amazing. A little bit better than what I thought they would. So I'll zoom in on the Oklahoma one first. Real pretty. And here's the Texas. Pretty. I love the stain. We put a couple coats of polyurethane on it, and they turned out really good. I'm really happy with the way they turned out. We would love to know what state you're from, so we may be able to make the state you're from. If you'd like to purchase one of these flags, you could go to rusticwoodwork.org, or you can leave us a message below or send us an email. So that's going to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have not yet, please hit the subscribe button below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.